What if I told you that you could build an entire FACELESS YouTube empire using one powerful prompt? No camera, no fancy studio, no 18-hour editing marathons, just your idea and a little help from AI magic. Today, I'm going to show you how to go from zero to content hero using a tool that writes, narrates, and edits your videos for you. Yep, InVideo.ai is that good. And I'm going to walk you through how I use it to make faceless videos fast, smart, and without burning out. So here's the dream. Make money on YouTube while sipping green juice or coffee, living your best soft life. But the reality? It's more like, why is this script taking 6 hours? And who knew picking B-roll was a full-time job? Faceless channels sound easier, right? No camera, no makeup, no ring light trauma. But even without showing your face, the behind-the-scenes grind is real. Brainstorming, researching, scripting, recording, editing, uploading, and burning out. And repeat. That's where most people tap out before they even get traction. Because let's be real, YouTube is a lot if you're trying to do it all manually and by yourself. But what if you didn't have to do that? Let me introduce you to your new team member, InVideo.ai. This isn't just an editing tool. This baby writes your script, records the voiceover, finds the visuals, adds the music, builds the scenes, and gives you a finished video product. All you do is write one prompt. One. You don't even have to use ChatGPT. Everything is right in there. So instead of being the writer, editor, producer, narrator, you become the creative director, the visionary. You bring the idea, and InVideo brings it to life. You don't need editing skills. You don't need to sound like Morgan Freeman. You just need to tell the AI what you want, and it handles the rest. Now, this is where I normally do a deep dive, but instead I already recorded a quick 5-minute walkthrough showing exactly how I use InVideo. I'm going to drop it right here so that you can go ahead and watch the entire thing. Watch me create faceless video from just one sentence. Let's switch gears now for the inside look of how this tool actually works, and then I'll come right back. Okay, we're going to show you, I'm going to do a quick review of InVideo. So you can see what the platform looks like and make a decision on whether you want to use this tool. I think it's a genius way of creating a faceless channel, because then you don't have to do so many steps, you know what I mean? So let me just go through the features real quickly. You can create a short video here, make explainer video, use your own script, create UGC ad if you're promoting a product, clone yourself, workflows. All right, so in this box, what I typed was create a YouTube short video with one profitable faceless YouTube channel idea in 8 seconds. Because I want to make this presentation really quick. And I'm specifically asking to use stock images, because if you use the generative images, you might have to pay additional credits. And then you click generate, and it will start doing its analyzing and thinking to come up with that one profitable idea. You notice I said profitable, which means I want this thing to make money. That's what we're here for, right? All right, it's doing its thinking. I hope it doesn't take too long, because sometimes when there's a lot of people on the platform, it will take a little bit. But that's why I said 8 seconds, because I don't want it to be any longer. So it's analyzing now. Then it's going to start thinking. It's still analyzing the content according to the prompts here. Content is processing now. It's thinking a bit more. I don't know what you're thinking. What are you thinking? This should be easy for you, right? Okay, let's go. I don't want to be long with this. What are you thinking? I thought 8 seconds would be so quick. Come on, let's go. I really want you to see it for yourself, because telling you is one, but seeing it in action will, make you understand exactly how this thing works. Now it's ideating, and now it's still thinking again. I don't know. Apparently there are other people on the platform using it. That's why. Okay. So now it's asking me to choose bold visual reveal, instant inspiration hook, quick value drop. I think all of these three are great, but I'm gonna choose the quick value drop, and it's YouTube short. So let's generate and see what it comes up with, and then I'm gonna play it real quickly for you, and then we go back to the video. Okay, so please bear with me, and you can also click this box to notify for the software to notify you when this is ready. That is if you have a longer video or if it's taking too long. You have that option, and then you can go do something else. Okay, come on, let's go. So actually you can use your own script. You can give the AI a topic, and it will come up with a script for you. You can be very specific in what you want by telling the AI how you want the video to start. You want a quick hook right away within the first 5 seconds and stuff like that. So this software, I swear by it. This is what I've been using for over a year now. I've had my Faces travel channel for over a year, and it has grown to 48,000 subscribers. And I've had a few videos went viral without showing my face. All right, so here we go. 8 seconds. It's loading the preview, and I'm going to just run it real quickly for you. 9 seconds it has. Let's go. Okay, and then you can go in and edit. Let's skip this. You can go in and edit the images. You can choose, it will allow you to search their stock media, or you can upload your own or use the generative media, but you're going to have to pay. And when you change the image, you hit apply, and it takes you back, and then you save, and it takes you back out. And then you can change the script. You can change the music and the settings. All right. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. I don't want to stay too long. I'm going to do a whole complete review on this software. If you do want me to do that, please let me know in the comment section. I read all the comments, and I will oblige you and do a full review of InVideo. But don't sleep on this tool. If you're interested in doing a Faceless channel, this is the tool for you, because you can clone your own voice, clone everything about you. You're going to be talking and your face is not showing. It's like that. Let's go back to the video. Okay, we're back. I wasn't able to go through all the features individually in the presentation, but let me give some quick steps. Here's what the workflow looks like. Step 1, you will type your idea into a detailed prompt, not just a one sentence. Give the AI a title, the tone, audience, voice preference, and visuals. Be specific. You are the creative director. Step 2, this is where the AI performs its magic. It writes the script, finds the B-roll, narrates it, and gives you a full video in like 30 to 45 minutes. Step 3, tweak what you want. Use the magic box editor to make changes with plain English commands, like make the music more dramatic, or use a drone shot in scene 3. Step 4, clone your voice if you want that personal brand feel without having to record anything. Yes, it can literally sound like you. Trust me, as I use it. Step 5, export and upload your video to YouTube like a boss. Done. That's it. This isn't just fun and flashy, it's scalable. You can batch record 5 videos in a weekend, or even in a day. Build an entire content calendar in a day. Diversify into multiple channels, multiple faces channels. And yes, you can monetize faceless AI videos. YouTube is not against AI. It's against lazy AI spam. As long as you're using the tool to create high quality, original, value-packed content, you're golden. You're okay. Now imagine this. Ads, affiliate links, brand deals, all rolling in while you sleep. Because your channel is working even when you're not. By the way, if you're really serious about starting your own faceless YouTube empire, I created a brand new digital bundle just for you called Top Secrets before starting a faceless YouTube channel. It walks you through the niche ideas, content planning, and hidden AI tools you haven't even heard of. And while you're at it, pick up my other bundle with 40 plus epic ways to monetize your channel outside of the YouTube partner program, sorry. They're all in the description below the video. Oh, and if you want even more help, grab my free video planning guide and my free viral video cheat sheet. They also are linked below in the description. And they come with real video titles and prompts to get you started. In the next video, we are going to dive deeper into how to turn your AI videos into real income, because that's what you want, right? So make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bells the notification bell, so you don't miss any of my videos. You bring the vision, NVIDIA does the heavy lifting. And your Faces YouTube channel, it just became unstoppable. Now go sign up for NVIDIA software right now. It will make something that pays you back while you sleep. You cannot sleep on this tool. It has changed the way I create my videos, and it will do the same for you. The link for NVIDIA is in the description. You can start out free, and then there's a paid version. If you start out free, you might have to deal with the watermarks. But it's worth it both ways. All right. I hope this video was helpful, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care of yourself. Bye now.